Family quarters. From 1925, different families also became part of the Meherabad colony. During the long stays in the 1920s, the area south of the post office was the site of a few structures for family quarters of the same simple temporary style of that period. But what was usually referred to as the family quarters were a few structures in Arangao located in the compound of what is now Meher Health Center. These earthen wall buildings were also used at different times for the Hazrat Baba Jan boys and girls schools and for the beginning of Meher Ashram. But they were mostly used as residences for a number of Mandali families throughout the years. The majority of the family quarters buildings were demolished in the 1970s so that the Meher Health Center and new staff quarters could be constructed.